2 years. 2 years of YouTube, no payment. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. This is Tinola right here. If you're new, welcome. This is Tinola. And on this platform, I share contents on beauty, well-being, lifestyle. So feel free to subscribe down below. Really, subscribe down below. You're not going to regret it. Okay? And turn on that notification bell beside it so you get notifications from me every single time I release a video. Don't worry, I won't bug you. It's just once a week I release videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's good to have you guys here again. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for clicking on this video. Guys, finally, as you can see, we got monetized and got our first paycheck. I'm super duper excited, as you guys can tell. Just pardon me. I'll try to tone it down, the excitement, but pardon me. So really in this video, I want to share with you guys what a small YouTuber like me with 1,000 plus subscribers might make or is making here on YouTube as of 2021. I know some of you are like, this girl is making money, this, that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna bust your bubble in this video, okay? And also, I'm gonna be sharing tips with you if you want to start a YouTube channel this year, or you're already a YouTuber, small YouTuber, and you're hoping to get monetized or, get paid, how to improve your YouTube channel, then definitely keep on watching. Today we're talking about money. So I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my first YouTube paycheck in the past 2 years. Yes. So I first joined YouTube in 2019, April. I wasn't so consistent because at that point I had my full-time job. I was just doing YouTube as a hobby, whenever I had the time to do it. And I wasn't very good at video editing, thumbnails and all those things. So as I was doing YouTube, I was also learning how to improve my content creation on the side. So I wasn't able to consistently put out videos every single week. But as of 2020, towards 2020 ending, I decided that, you know what, this YouTube is going to make us some money. So we have to start, putting in more effort. So I wanted to finally get my YouTube channel monetized because I discovered that ever since the coronavirus started, I started putting more interest in content creation. Let me push my YouTube career, my content creation career. And I was putting out videos, but then I wasn't getting enough traffic as I wanted. And I decided to start staying consistent. And when I started being consistent on YouTube, I discovered that this is actually work. Okay, guys, it is not just plain, okay? Because I know some of you watch the videos and you're like, well, there's not much big deal. It's not just to just put camera in front of you, record, and just push out the video. No. YouTube actually takes a lot, okay? You plan the video, you set up your filming setup, you do your makeup, your hair, you look good, you come on camera, you do all that video, and then you have to edit the video. My editing process takes me on an average 5 hours to edit one single video. Yeah. You do all that, and then you upload your video, you do your thumbnail, and then you promote your video. So guys, it is no joke, it is work. Okay, although I do enjoy doing this because, like I told you guys in my intro video, if you haven't seen my channel intro video, go check it out. So I told you guys why I do YouTube. I love it. I love videos. I love being in front of camera. I'm camera friendly, and I just love motion, visual arts, all that content creation. I love the fact that it pushes me to be more creative. So I kept on doing it, and I decided to start staying consistent. So as of 2020 ending, I started joining forums. I was reaching out to people. I was like, yo, we're gonna get monetized on this channel. And finally, we did get monetized 2 days before February. I believe it was on the 29th of January, somewhere around that time. So February 14th, I did a channel monetization party. So people from my community, other small YouTubers, everybody came to support me. I was really excited because, guys, I got some money on that day. So people gave me super chats, super stickers. I know if you guys don't know this, but you can actually support a YouTuber you like on their live stream or while their video is premiering. So when I release a new video and I put it on premiere where you can chat and watch the video with me, that is an avenue for you to support a YouTuber that you like. So you can send them a super chat, a super sticker right there in the chat box on YouTube. So you just need to pay for that super chat or super sticker. Let's say you pay like $5 for it, £5, £10, whatever amount you want. That YouTuber is going to receive that amount. So that's a way to support a YouTuber. So I got some of that on my monetization party. I was like, woo woo, thank you. I was feeling rich. Oh yes, I was feeling very rich. After all that, I was hoping that at the end of the month, because YouTube pays on the 21st of every month, so I was hoping that at the end of the month I would get my first YouTube paycheck. But no, all that money that I calculated from people giving me on YouTube and all that thing, and I was checking my AdSense, all of that, it wasn't what YouTube paid me, or it wasn't what YouTube was going to pay me. So every single money you make from YouTube takes 45% of it. So you only receive 55% of the money you actually made on YouTube. Okay, your cut is 55%. YouTube takes 45% of any amount of money you make. You also have to set up your AdSense. So at that time, my AdSense had already been set up, but I needed to get the pin that was sent to my address. I didn't receive it up until about a month after. So this was in March ending. That was when I received my AdSense pin. It was a bit delayed because of COVID, and then I changed the address and all of that. So I got the AdSense pin and I confirmed it on my AdSense account just to make sure I verify my address, and I set up my AdSense account properly. Also, Google AdSense will send you about $1 or even lesser to your bank account. So I was sent, I think, $1 and some cents to my bank account just to confirm that that bank account is the right one, because that is where YouTube will start sending your money to. So YouTube pays you through Google AdSense, and the money YouTube pays you is from the adverts on your videos. So when people watch your videos and they watch the ads, that's how YouTube gets to pay you. So guys, please watch my ads. Thank you. Also, the money you make from, let's say, your super chats, your super stickers, like I said, YouTube will put all that money together, take 45% of that and pay you 55% of that through your Google AdSense account. But before YouTube pays you, you have to meet the threshold of $100. If you don't have up to $100 total on your Google's AdSense account, YouTube will not pay you for that month. YouTube will add that money from the previous month to the next month until you earn up to $100, and then YouTube will pay you. If you don't want YouTube to pay you at $100, you can actually set it as, I believe, $500, or I don't know if there are other options that you can set it at, but I know someone that sets it at $500 because that's the threshold she wants to get paid at. As of March, I still did not meet the threshold, but I was like, April, we're gonna make this money. I was more intentional about the contents I was putting out, contents that were searchable, contents that would generate me views, contents that, I started diversifying. Guys, I do beauty contents before, I do hair contents before. Hair contents were giving me some views, but my beauty content was not giving me enough views, and I started diversifying into lifestyle contents. You have to know what your audience wants. When I saw that my audience were enjoying my lifestyle contents, I started putting more efforts into putting out those contents. In this YouTube world, you have to understand your target audience. You have to understand people that are watching your videos and what they want from your channel. If you see that there's a particular video or niche that they are watching from you, that might be a sign for you to stick to that niche. So you really have to be deliberate, intentional about people that you want to watch your videos. And I started telling people to watch my videos, watch my ads. And for the first time, I also started watching my own videos. So I wouldn't watch my videos every single time. But before, I don't watch myself once I push out videos. But this time around, I started watching my videos once in a while. Whenever I have the time, I'm like, okay, let me even see what I look like. Let me see what I'm delivering. So it actually gave me an insight. It helps me to understand and see myself better and what kind of content I'm pushing out there. So I did that, and every single time I watch my videos, I watch the ads, okay? So if you love me, if you want my channel to grow, watch my ads and subscribe to my channel. Click that red button, subscribe. And if you're enjoying this video so far, don't just be like, oh, I like this video, it's a good video. No, don't do that. I know you like it, but you have to tell YouTube you like it. So you have to click that like button, that thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up, please. Okay? When people like your videos, when they comment on your videos, when they subscribe to your channel, when they share your videos. Guys, if you share my video, oh, you're blessed. Those things are what tells YouTube that this video is a good video, that this video needs to reach out to more people. So YouTube will start pushing out your videos. They'll start suggesting it to people because they feel like others are enjoying your videos. Please engage with our videos, even if it's you just dropping an emoji in the comment box, even if it's you just giving the video a thumbs up or sharing it with 1 or 2 friends. It really goes a long way. And also subscribing to the channel, of course. Guys, 5K is the target before June ends, so please, if you're watching this video, click that subscribe button. Let's reach 5,000 subscribers. Yes, we can do this. So guys, as of April 21st, YouTube still did not pay me. I was like, whoa, wow, what's going on here? Okay. Because this is not funny anymore. Guys, you have to understand that this is 2 years. 2 years of YouTube, no payment. But I was doing a side business for 2 years. And I've never received any money from that side business. I will close it out. If you're a small YouTuber, you're an upcoming YouTuber, a prospective YouTuber, guys, you have to learn patience. You have to, it's a process. It's marathon, it's not sprint. You will not start making money immediately you open your channel. It's only if you're a celebrity or people already know you have a huge following from a platform and then you come to YouTube. That's when you quickly get monetized. But if you're just a random person like me, you wouldn't quickly get that money, on YouTube. But then there are other ways for you to make money on YouTube. Don't forget that. And once you get monetized, you continue growing your platform, your community. It can get rewarding because, we have YouTubers making millions. As of May, I was like, you know what? The devil is not going to succeed this time around. We are going to have to get monetized this month. I kept on pushing my channel as usual. And I finally got a notification that I had met my threshold and I was going to get my first paycheck. Guys, I was over the moon. Okay, I was excited. I'm like, what? Finally? I went to my Google AdSense to, check the amount I was going to get paid. And guess what, guys? After 2 years of being on YouTube, YouTube paid me for my first YouTube paycheck $113.29. Yes, guys, yes. But that payment was not for May. That payment was from April, okay? So YouTube pays you a month late. I know some of you are watching this and you're like, oh, this is so underwhelming. Yeah, I know it can get underwhelming sometimes with YouTube, especially when you're putting so much work into it and you're not getting the kind of, money, accolades that you feel like you should be getting. But I just want to encourage you not to give up. I want to encourage you, if you enjoy content creation, keep doing it. Look for ways to diversify if you can. If you're a small YouTuber, you're a prospective YouTuber, especially if you're looking at YouTube for business. If you are looking at YouTube for business, you have to be intentional about the content you're creating. If you're just looking at it from hobby, whatever, you don't care about the money, good for you. But if you're looking at it as a side hustle, as something that you can say, this is my business, this is where I'm making money from. Guys, you have to be intentional about your content. If you're making a certain niche content and people are not watching, people are not enjoying it, you might want to consider checking other niche, trying out other niche. Don't box yourself up. Don't be like, oh, because some of the mistakes I made initially I was like, I don't want to do too many things on YouTube, and I don't want to really put myself out there. I just want to do hair and makeup, that's it. But then it got to the point where I had to be more vulnerable with my content. I had to try out new things. YouTube pushed me really to come out of that comfort zone for my shell. Once my feet is more stable and I understand my audience more and what they want from me, I will definitely narrow down my niche. But for now, I am still trying one or two things here and there. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, once again, subscribe. Thank you. As much as you want to grow your channel, your mental health is important. How your well-being is important. How you balance your activities is important. So if it's only one video a week you can do, please do that. Okay, that should be fine. It's more important for you to put out quality videos out there, intentional videos out there, than just to be pushing out lots and lots of videos and none of them make any sense. Okay, yes. So doing 3 videos a week, if they have low quality, if they make no sense, it might not fetch you views. Okay, YouTube keeps changing, so you always want to stay updated. There's always something new on YouTube. You always want to stay updated on the YouTube community, what is going on, what you need to change, what you need to improve. You can't use the same formula every single time with YouTube. It doesn't work that way. Okay, the formula that they were using in 2018 is different from the formula people are using right now. Okay, so that is it for my own advice to you if you are considering YouTube or you're a small YouTuber trying to get monetized on YouTube. That brings me to the end of this video. If you guys have any questions for me, please let me know in the comment box below. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye for now. Check out my other videos. Bye, guys.